Oh, so guys, now please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. I'm audible, guys. Now please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. I'm audible. Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Guys, now please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. I'm audible. Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Now please confirm to me. Guys, now please check it. I'll forget my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. I think it's very clear, right? Guys, now please check it. I'll forget my voice on screen now. Am I audible? Is it clear now? Now check it. Now check it. Now, guys, now please confirm to me. I'll forget my voice on screen. That's it. Now please check this. Now it's okay, right? Yeah. Now it is okay. Guys, now check it. I think you are getting my voice clearly. Now it's very clear, right? Okay. Right. Are you getting my voice clearly now? Right. Right, sir. And check it what we completed in the last session. I think so. We are discussing about compilation process skill. We are understanding there. In a compilation process, in a compilation process also, we completed maximum part of the compilation we have seen even through diagram. Okay. The last option, compiling more than one Java file. That problem here we are discussing. Now, observe carefully. How we are going to compile more than one Java file. So there are multiple options here we are having. What are the multiple options here? First one is provide multiple Java files names with a space separator along with a single Java C command. Syntax is what? Java C space file1 dot Java space file2 dot Java space and so on file n dot Java. This is one option. Next step. If more than one Java file is interdependent on each other, and if we compile the base Java file, then the compiler will compile the base Java file and all the other interdependent Java files automatically. Example I have given. Test.java uses a class A, which is there in A.java. A class uses B class, which is in B.java. Class B uses C, which is in C.java. So tester depends on A depends on B, B depends on C. So if we compile test.java, automatically compiler will compile test class, A class, B class, and C class automatically. Just along with the Java C command, we are providing only what their test.java. Right. This is what we are getting. After this, third one is what there, case 3, by using star notation. Only by using what notation? Star notation. Now observe carefully. So what is this star notation here now? How we are going to provide this? Now observe carefully. Star notation. So in star notation also multiple cases are available. What are the multiple cases now? Right, sir. Now see this one. To compile all Java files which are available at the present location, what we have to use the Java C star.java. That's simple. The command is simple. We have to understand Java C star.java. For what purpose there? All Java files. Any Java file it has which has .java extension. All Java files are going to be compiled with this particular option. Point number one. Number two, to compile all Java files which are started with the employee. Prefix is employee. Suffix may be anything. Started with employee but ended with anything. Started with employee but ended with what there anything. Understand it clearly. To compile all Java files which are started with employee. Right. So now see this one. Java C. There we have to provide employee star dot Java. Here star represents what they all. But file name must be started with what their employee. Employee names.java, employee mails.java, employee address.java, like this. All employee related Java files here we are able to compile. Understand it clearly. Next one is to compile all Java files which are ended with mails, which are ended with what their mails this time. What command here we are going to use there? Java C star mails.java. Star mails.java in the sense what is this actually? Star may be anything. Started with anything but ended with what their mails. Like this here we are able to have. Next one is after this. Okay. Next one is after this. To compile Abhi, to compile all Java files which contains very much to compile all Java files which contains account means that maybe started one, maybe ended one, or maybe in the middle, wherever it may be. If the Java file contains account, that Java files only I want to compile. That's my requirement. Okay. Alright. Now let me check for it. Java C space star account star dot Java. Here we need to provide star account star dot Java. In that way here we are able to provide the content. Okay. Right, sir. Now this is clear information here we have to understand. Right, sir. Just 1 minute of time. Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Am I audible? Getting any problem? Any echo? Guys, now please check it. All of you get my voice clearly. Guys, is my voice is clear now? Please confirm to me. Now check it. Now is my voice is clear? Am I audible? Is my voice is clear now? Please check it. Now, now, is it clear now? Now check it, guys. All of you get my voice now. Is my voice is clear? Guys, still echoing, right? Yeah. Then why it is coming there? Yeah. Now, guys, now check it. Is my voice is clear now? Is it clear? Guys, now check it. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Now, guys, now please check it now. Now, is it clear? Am I audible? Is it clear now? Still echoing. Yeah, at least, is it manageable now? Not today. Is it manageable or not understanding anything? Not manageable. The guys, now check it. Again, now check it now. Is it clear? The background sound. Rare, regularly used mic only. Why it is coming? Still not coming. Now check it. Is it clear now? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now are you getting mic clearly? Clear? Is it clear? Right. Just 2 minutes of time. After 2 minutes of time, also give information to me. If it is clear, then it's okay. I'll continue that. 2 minutes of time. I didn't started my mic actually. 2 minutes of time. Right, sir. Now, come to the topic, what we are getting now. So, all the points here we are understanding. Now, this is like what I am telling to you. Yeah, to compile all Java files which are available at the present location, we have to use Java C space star.java. To compile all Java files which are started with employee, Java C space employee star.java. To compile all Java files which are ended with mails, where we are getting like what the Java C star mails.java. To compile all Java files which contains account, Java C space star account star dot Java. These are the various things here we are getting. Observe carefully. After this, after completion of this content here, right, after understanding this, what next one here we are understanding now. Observe carefully. The next point is next one is after this. No, this is the right option. Right, sir. Now, okay. Right. Now, the point is what there. I want to show example practically about all these things. Now, try to understand it now. What points can I'm going to provide there? Now, see this, all of you. Here, the content is what there. Then what I have to do? Every day we are using the same mic, right? Now, people are getting difficult with this. Okay, now check it. Getting clear voice. Right, sir. At least manageable today. If it is manageable, then at least next class I will go for alternative. Today I want to complete some topic, right? At least manageable. Okay, fine. Not manageable. Sandeep, then you are only the person you are saying not manageable, right? Please check once. Today if I complete it, no, then next class we will go for it. Okay, right. Yeah. At least try to understand the situation. Now let me complete the particle. Okay, fine. Right. Now I want to show all these points in practical. Now observe carefully. So either we can use VS Code or we can use what there, like edit plus. That depends on our requirement. What we want to use there. I want to use VS Code, for example. Now, okay, I think so. Then we need to use what? Not this one. The Windows operating system here we have to use. In Windows operating system, right. Now, I need to use like what there commands here I need to provide. What commands here we have to provide now. First of all, let me search for VS Code. Right, sir. So previously we are getting number of .java files and number of .class files here we are having the right. Now this time I want to delete all of them. I don't require all these files, even including tester.java. I don't require. So if I want to delete all of them, what I have to do there? I need to open command prompt, and command prompt directly. Right, sir. Now in command prompt, I have to go to the location where I provided all the comments. First of all, D colon CD full stack Java 830 CD Java 7. There, if I open dir, automatically all the things here we are getting. All the Java files and all the dot class files here I want to delete. To delete all of them, then I need to use the command like what there? Delete star dot Java, star dot class, and star dot back files. Except batch files. Batch files are required for us. Enter button. No, all of them are deleted. Dir. If I open it, only batch files are available. No other files are existed for us now. Right. That's nice. Now here I am going to create multiple Java files now. What are the multiple Java files that I'm going to create? Here plus symbol is available to create the Java files now. Observe carefully, plus symbol. There I'm going to provide what there? Employee names dot Java. Employee names dot Java. Right. Next one is employee mails dot Java. Mails dot Java. Right, sir. Now this also we created. Now save this. Next one is employee address dot Java. Employee address dot Java. It's a class control S. Three files related to employee here I created. Next one is after that student names dot Java. Right, sir. Now here we created this. Next one is student mails dot Java. Yes, now it is created. Next one is student address dot Java. Now here we created this. It's okay, fine. Student related three files here I created. Next one is customer names dot Java. Right, sir. We created customer names dot Java. Next one is customer mails dot Java. Right, sir. Now we created this customer address dot Java. Customer address dot Java. Okay. Right, sir. Like this here we are getting it. Overall, how many files I created up to now? 9 files I created. Three for employee, three for student, and three for what the customer. Next one is student account details dot Java. Student account details dot Java. Created. Next one is employee account details dot Java. Employee account details dot Java. Next one is normal account details dot Java. Normal account details dot Java. Okay. Next one is what there after this. After completion of this, next one is right, sir. Current account dot Java. Current account dot Java. Right, sir. That's it. Now these are the various Java files that what we created clearly. Let's see this all this list here I'm going to provide through the command prompt now. Now observe carefully. If I type dir, then automatically we are getting all these many Java files. How many Java files are existed here now? Now observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 13 or 14 nearly Java files here we created. Now over these Java files I want to play. Understand it clearly? Alright, now observe carefully what I'm trying to do now. First of all, I want to give that list like this only, no need to worry for it. That's okay, no problem. First of all, let me take this part here. This I'm going to show how much content is available, how much content is available in our location. Yeah, here. Yeah, these many files are available. I'm not writing separately class account details dot java like this. I'm not writing it. By seeing this there, we are able to see all these many files now. Got it now? Right. After this, now the play will start now. What I'm going to do here, out of all these things, observe carefully. What happened? Right. Now here, Java C star dot Java. Java C star dot Java. I want to compile all Java files. dir. For every Java file, there is a dot class file. We can identify this clearly. See this? Account details dot class, account details dot Java. Current account dot class, current account dot Java. Customer address dot class, customer address dot Java. For every Java file, there is a separate dot class file. Just so we can observe these extensions clearly. Got it? What I'm telling you now. That's it. Let me take this punch here. This is example one. Okay? Right. Now example two. What is my requirement here? Now I want to delete star dot class. A dot class file I'm going to delete. Okay? Leave it. dir. If I open now, only Java files here we are getting. Now my requirement is like what there after this. Observe carefully. My requirement is I want to compile all the Java files which are started with employee. I want to compile all Java files which are started with what their employee. Java C employee is fixed. Maybe ended symbol may be anything. Star dot Java. Employee star dot Java. Right, sir. Now let me take this there. Only employee related dot class files only here we are getting. For account details dot Java, no dot class. Current account dot Java, no dot class. Customer address dot Java, no dot class. Only if you observe this employee related dot class files only here we are getting. Yes, sir, got my point or not? In all the remaining cases, no dot class files are generated. That we have to understand. Now let me copy this part also. Right, sir. This is case number two. Now, example 3, I am telling to you, observe carefully. Now, again, now, what I am going to do there, say, let's delete star dot class. I am going to delete all the dot class files. Right, sir? Now it's okay, fine. Now, my requirement is, I want to compile all Java files which are ended with mails.java, which are ended with what their mails. So, for that, what we have to do now, star mails.java. Star mails, not mail, mails.java. Click on enter button. Now we are able to get some dot class files dir. Now check for it. Wherever we are having mails now, there only we are getting dot class file. Now here we are getting customer mails dot class, customer mails dot Java, employee mails dot class, and employee mails dot Java. Next one is what there. Then after this no student mails dot class, student mails dot Java. In all the remaining cases we are not having what there dot class files now. Observe carefully. So this is another case. Here we can understand. Right, sir. Now here we can find this. No, this is previous output, I think so. No. Right, now this time here we are getting. Right, perfect output. So this only mails dot class. Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Now example 4. All of you observe carefully. My requirement is what there. Account contains account. That dot class file. That dot Java files I want to compile. Okay, now let's move on to this one. delete star dot class. What are the dot class files are created as of now, that I'm going to delete it. dir, if you open it now, no dot class file is available as of now, right? Now let me clear about it. Now the point is what there, Java C, all of you have to carefully, Java C. Now star account star dot java, all Java files which contains account. That account may be startup one or maybe ended one or in the middle. That doesn't matter. If the Java file contains account, automatically it's going to be compiled. Now let me check for it now. Now here if you open dir, there we are able to see account related dot class also. Now see this one. Account details dot class. Next one is what there? Current account dot class. Right. Now here what we are getting? Student account details dot class. That's it. Any other dot class? No. Employee account details dot class. Only account. All the Java files which contains account are compiled, and all the remaining things are not compiled. That's enough. This is about like what there. Alright. So the total different options of like what there compilation that I provided. Now see this here, that example for also here we understood. That's it. So, but before that, we need to prepare these many Java files now. If these many Java files are available, then we are able to get like what their compilation, different options of compilations get, we are able to perform. Yes, sir, got it or not? What I'm telling you now. Right, sir. Now, with this, total compilation process is completed. Compilation process, what we have done compilation, no, given that what is the process of compilation, like what is the how to activate compiler, what is the intention of the Java C command, what is the requirement of the path environment variable, after the different options of compilation, how to compile, like what there compile Java program and sending dot class files to some other location, and how to prepare package structure with respect to the package name, after that how to compile multiple Java files at a time. All these many points can be understood. After completion of all these things, then what's the remaining part here? The next topic is like what there? Execute the Java application. Execute the Java application. That is the remaining part here we have to understand. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on it? Alright, sir. I think previously I prepared a diagram now. Come again? Hmm. Hmm. That means internal working you are asking there. How it is checking now? Definitely. Whatever the files which are available there in the current location, it will check the prefix values what student or not. If any file is matched, then it will compile it. That's it. Okay. Fine. Right, sir. Now let's move to the point here. Execute the Java application. Right. So what is this? How to execute the Java program here? Then previously I prepared the diagram. Let me open the diagram here. I think so it is available already with us. Right, so now first app development is available with us. Right. Now this is a diagram here what we prepared previously. It's okay, fine. Yeah. Now I want to run my program. To execute the program here, what we have to do now? To run the program, what we have to do there? First of all, open the command prompt. And before that, now tell me, I need to confirm one point here. See, tester.java file we compiled. How many dot class files are going to be generated here? How many dot class files are going to be generated in this example? Only one dot class file. Why? Why only one dot class file? We compiled only one Java file, or Java file contains only one class. Java file contains only one class is the reason, or Java file is only one that we compiled. What is the reason here now? Java file contains only one class. That is the reason why we are getting only one dot class file. One minute. Right, sir. Now, test.java contains only one dot one class. That is the reason why only one dot class file here we are able to get. By default, where the dot class files are going to be created? By default, where the dot class files are going to be created? in the same D location, in the same current location, D colon slash Java 7. There only we are compiling it now. It's okay, fine. Now its file name is like what I'm telling to you. It should be like what the tester dot class. Tester dot class. That's the file name here we have to find. Okay, now what data is available is not required. Is different symbols. The bytecode. Bytecode in the sense it is not source code. At the same time, it is not executable code. Mediator code. Mediator code. Intermediate code is a combination of different symbols. At the rate symbols, maybe some different symbols. That's what we are able to have now. Right. So leave this one. After this, after completion of this punch here, now if you want to run the program, first of all, what we have to do now, go to the location, go to the location where your main class dot class file is available. In command prompt, go to the location where main class dot class file is available. As of now, I thought of it. My main class dot class file is available under D colon slash Java 7 location. D colon slash Java 7 location. Am I right? Now observe carefully. D colon slash Java 7. There I need to use Java command. Then after that, I need to provide main method class name. Your file name may be anything. .java file name may be anything. But along with Java command, we have to provide what the main class name. Right, so test is the main class name in this case that we have to provide. That's clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? Just 1 minute of time. Let us clear about this punch here. I don't require this punch here. Let me delete it. This one also I don't require. Right. Now, to execute Java application, to execute a Java application, we have to use we have to use the following command on a command prompt from the location where main classes dot class file is available. That's it. Where the main classes dot class file is available. What's the command here we have to use there? Java main class name. Main class name in the sense the class which contains main method. Main class name in the sense what the class which contains main method. Now observe carefully, all of you know. Alright, sir. Now this is the content. Example code here I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. D colon slash Java 7 something else. Java space test. For compilation might be then previously in the explanation I given some name actually. Right, sir. Now here. What's the command here we provided here? I think so. This here we provided here. The same thing here I'm going to use. Now observe carefully. Right, sir. Okay, Java space test. If we use this command and command prompt, what operating system will do now? If we use the above command on the command prompt, then the compiler, then the operating system will perform the following actions. What operating system will perform the activities that we are going to understand. Now let me explain the point here. What operating system is able to perform the work now. First of all, what operating system will do now? Operating system will take, right sir, operating system will take Java command from the command prompt. Operating system will search for it in its internal commands list, and it will search at the locations referred by path environment variable. At a path environment variable referred locations, operating system will find Java command. At what location can know? See Java JDK 1.8.0 bin already it is provided clearly. See Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. There Java command is available. When Java command is available, automatically operating system will execute the Java command. By the execution of this Java command, automatically Java, that means JVM activation code will be executed. By the execution of the JVM activation code, automatically JVM software will be activated. Automatically JVM software will be activated. Then JVM will perform some actions. Automatically JVM will perform what there some actions. Now observe carefully. This point here I'm going to specify. Alright, sir. Now, when we use the above command in the command prompt, then the operating system will perform the following actions. Operating system will take the provided Java command from the command prompt and search for it at its internal commands list and at the locations provided by the path environment variable. That's point number one. All right, so now definitely one point is very clear. Java command is identified by the operating system through path environment variable provided locations only. Already that bin location we set to the path environment variable. That's the point here I'm telling there. When the operating system, when operating system finds the Java command, find the Java command at the location provided by the path environment variable, automatically JVM, automatically the operating system will execute the Java command. Automatically the operating system will execute the Java command, or maybe when operating system finds the Java command at the location, what is that location there actually? Now we can understand C:// Java slash JDK 1.8.0 slash bin provided by the path environment variable, then the operating system will execute Java command. So got or not? With this, JVM software will be activated and the JVM software will perform the following actions. What actions the JVM is performing the related content here? Now observe carefully. Next one is like what there? It's okay, fine. Now we are going to understand the activities now. Yeah. Now observe carefully in the content here. First JVM will take the provided main class name from command prompt. I said what JVM is taking now? JVM will take the provided main class name from command prompt. JVM will search for its dot class file, test.class file at three locations. All of you listen carefully. First, JVM will take the main class name from command prompt, that is tester. Then JVM will search for its dot class file at three locations. Number one location, at current location from where we are executing the program. Number two, Java predefined library inside the Java software library is available at Java predefined library. Number three, at the locations referred by class path environment variable. Another environment variable is available. That is what their class path environment variable. Right, sir. Now class path environment variable. Right, observe carefully. Come again. What are the three locations now? First one is what their current location. Second one is what their Java predefined library. Third one is what their at the locations provided by class path environment variable. What is JVM thinking now? JVM is thinking about the tester.class file. It is an internal part of the project. So project is going in at current location. Then JVM will search for it at the current location. If it is not available here, what is the next level thinking of JVM? Okay, now tester.class file is not available in the present project. So it may be available in the Java predefined library. As per the thought, JVM will go to the Java predefined library. There it will search for it. Still, if it is not identified, still if it is not identified, then what JVM will do? No, JVM will think next. What it will think next level? It is not the internal part of the project. It is not the internal of the Java predefined library. It may be available in the third-party libraries. The third-party libraries are available with the class path. It may wonder, it may be the part of the third-party libraries that may be available in the path, class path environment variable locations. Then, as per that, JVM will go to what their class path environment variable referred locations. There it will search for the required tester.class file. Is it? All of you get my point or not? Three searchings now. One is local. Next one is Java predefined library. Third one is what their third-party libraries through what their class path environment variable. That's it. Just give a minute of time. First, JVM will take the main class name from command prompt. From the command prompt. That's it. Now it is completed. Next one is JVM will search for JVM will search for the main classes dot class file at a current location, comma at a Java predefined library and at the locations provided by the class path environment variable. That's it. Now JVM will search for the main classes dot class file at current location at Java predefined library and at the locations provided by the class path environment variable. Now observe carefully here the point I'm telling to you. If the main class dot class file does not exist at all the above locations. Understand it? No? If it is not available at all the above locations, what will happen? Then JVM will provide the following error message. JVM will provide the following error message. How that error messages are going to be provided? Observe carefully. Versions wise that error messages are available. I'll show practical. Not to worry for it. In Java 6 version, in what version of the Java? Java 6 version. There we are able to get java.lang dot no class def found error colon test. In what version here now? Java 6 version. In Java 7 version, error colon could not load or could not find or load main class test. This message here we are able to get. From Java 7 version onward, this message. Before Java 7, from up to Java 6, this is a message here we are able to get. Java.lang no class def found error colon test. Java 7 error colon could not find or load main class test. Right. Shall we see these points practically? Right. Now see this one. Let me open my. Right. Now see this one. All of you observe carefully. Delete star dot class dir. If you observe this, okay. Now these many files are also not required. Star dot java, even that one also deleted. Dir. If you open it, what we have there at current location? Only batch files. No dot java even, no dot class files. Right. Fine. Now tell me all of you know what Java version I am using now. Come on. What Java version I have used here? Java 6 version. Batch file I executed, right? Java 6 version here we are getting it. Java test. Not available. Actually not available, right? In Java 6 version, what we are going to get? Please read out this exception, what we are getting there. Java.lang. No class def found error colon test. That message here we are getting. It's okay, fine. Now observe carefully. Java 7 version now I am using. Java 7, Java space tester. Now check for it what we are getting there. Error colon could not find or load main class test. Points are clear or not? When it is the case, no. When a main class is not identified. main class dot class file is not identified at all three locations, then here we are able to get this messages. Got it or not clear? Okay, fine. Leave this point here. For example, I'm giving clarity. Right. For example, note I'm telling to you, understand it no. If the required main classes dot class file is available at a different location like e colon slash abc. Come again. At the different location like e colon slash abc, then to make available dot class file main class dot class file to the JVM, we have to set the class path environment variable to the respective location. I think you understood the point here. Now the point is what then? For example, my main class dot class file is not available at three locations. Current location, Java predefined library, and the locations provided by class path. If it is available at e colon slash abc, for example, but that JVM don't know. As we know about it, we have to tell that information to JVM. You are searching for this dot class file throughout the system then, but don't search for it. Come to this location. Here it is available. Execute it. That information we have to tell to the JVM. To provide that information to JVM, what we have to do? Already we are aware JVM is coming to the class path environment variable provided locations now. If we keep this location e colon slash abc in the class path now, when JVM comes to this, JVM will take that location. JVM will find our main class dot class file. Yes, I got my point. To make available main class dot class file to the JVM, just set the location of main class dot class file to what their path environment variable. Sorry, class path environment variable. Automatically JVM will come to what their class path environment variable. Remember this now. In the future, I may ask one question to you. What is the difference between path and class path? Path is required by operating system to find Java commands. Class path is required by JVM to find the dot class files locations. Got it now? The name itself is given class path. It's a path for dot class files. Class path is what there path for dot class files. Only path is what there path for Java commands. Only path for Java commands. Class path is what there path for dot class files. Who required the dot class files? No, JVM required. Of course, in the future compiler also. Compiler and JVM both required what their dot class files. That's why class path is used by compiler and JVM, but path is used by what their operating system. Remember this points clearly. Right, sir. Now let's move to the point here. If the required main class dot class file is available at different location like e colon slash abc, then to make available main class dot class file to the JVM, we have to set the class path environment variable to the respective location e colon slash abc. Now see this how we are going to set this one. Set observe carefully. Set class path is equal to e colon slash abc semicolon. That's it. If you provide like this, JVM will identify it, JVM is able to execute it. Sir, got or not? Can I show this point now? Right? Can I show this point? Right, sir. Now do this one. If you want to show this point here, then what we have to do now? First of all, I have to open. Right, so now, first of all, I have to open. I have to prepare a Java program. Right now, observe carefully how I'm going to prepare Java program now. Now here, file, new file. I'm going to create now. This is like what there tester.java. Created this. Now it's okay, fine. Main method is available. System.out.println of system.out.println of first Java application. Like this here we provided. This is about our program, right? Observe carefully. Where it is available now, tell me. D colon slash full stack Java 830 Java 7. There it is available. Okay. Right. All of you observe carefully. Before that, I want to check my this PC now here. E drive ABC is available. D drive ABC location is very clear. D drive ABC. Right, sir. Now I need to delete it. Alright, sir. Now D colon slash ABC is free. Is it got or not? Now it is available. Now observe carefully. Right. Now let me check for it. Now if we understand it now. Alright. What version here I'm going to use there? Anything here we can use, no problem. dir. What we are having there, no. Only tester.java file is available, right? No dot class file is available. Okay, fine. First of all, tell me what Java version here we are using there. 1.7. No issues for it. No need to think about it now. It's okay, fine. Now observe carefully. Java C space hyphen D e colon slash ABC space tester.java. If I compile this code, where my dot class file will be generated, at what location tester.class file will be generated? E colon slash ABC location. Am I right or not? E colon slash ABC location. Now observe carefully. Click on this. Now my dot class file will be available at E colon CD. Now observe carefully. CD space ABC. There if I open dir, there we are able to get test dot class file. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Now it is available. Here, if you want to run here Java space test, no, you'll get output. But the point is what? What is my working directory? My working directory is what there? Java 7. Here onwards. Here I want to execute my program. So that's the reason I want to go there in outside. Observe carefully. Sorry. Now okay. I want to go with what the D drive. From this location, I want to run my program. So first of all, what's the command here we have used there? No? Right, sir. Now this I provided. It's okay. Created. Now I want to execute this one. Java space test. Now what we are getting, sir? Could not find a load main class test. Then what I have to do? Set class path, not path. Class path is equal to what is the location? E colon slash ABC location. E colon slash ABC location. After setting class path, Java space test. Enter button. Now we are getting our output. Just got it? What I have done here? Now this is exactly the work here. What we have to do now. Right, sir. Now just point here I shown to you. Now try to understand this point clearly. Right, sir. It's okay. Fine. This is completed. So this is what we have to set there. It's okay. Fine. If the main class dot class file does not exist at the current location, if it is available at different location, this is a process here. Okay, fine. Next one is watch after this. Point number D. If JVM if JVM finds the required main classes dot class file at either of the above locations. Tell me, if JVM finds the main classes dot class file at either of the above locations, then what JVM will do now? Put more concentration. What JVM will do now? First, immediately JVM will load main class bytecode to the memory. For test class, main bytecode is available or not? JVM will load main class, that is test class bytecode to the memory. This is called class loading. Yes, sir. What is it now? Class loading. JVM will load main class bytecode to the memory. Right, sir. After loading main class bytecode to the memory, JVM will search for main method. JVM will search for what method? You know, main method. There are again two cases. If main method is not available, what will happen? If main method is available, what will happen? The two cases here we are going to understand. Yes, sir. I'll forget my point or not? Right, sir. Now let me provide that point here now. Right, sir. Now not available. If JVM finds the required main class dot class file at either of the above locations, then the JVM will load main class bytecode to the memory. That's available main classes dot class file only. Alright, sir. Then after this, after loading main class bytecode to the memory, JVM will search for main method. JVM will search for what method? You know, main method. Right, sir. Now, what next function? Observe carefully. If the required main method does not exist in the loaded main class. In the loaded main class. If the required main method does not exist in the loaded main class, then JVM will provide the following messages. What messages can we are able to get now? Observe carefully. In Java 6 version, java.lang. No such method error colon main. No such method error colon main. This is in what version of the Java? Java 6. Java 7 version of the Java, error colon, no, error colon, main method not found in a class test. Please define the main method as, define the main method as public static void main string array args. In this way, here we are able to get a message. Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as, please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Like this here we are going to get some message. Like this here we are able to have some message. Right, sir. Now see this one. We are able to see this point practically. Now understand it clearly now. Right, sir. Now, for example, I want to close this command prompt. I want to prepare my program without main method. Some ABC is a method name here I have taken. Clear? 1 minute. Clear? I prepared my program without the main method. Where the main method in place of main now I given what there ABC. Right. Now let me open command prompt. If I open the command prompt, first go to the location D CD full stack Java 830 CD Java 7. It's okay. Right, sir. Now, first of all, I want to use Java 6 version. What version of the Java? Java 6 version. Compile it. Java C space test.java. In Java 6 version, main method is not available. What will happen? Java space test. Here what we are getting, sir? Now please read out this exception. No error message get java.lang. No such method error colon main. I think already listed out that point here, right? Next one is after this Java 7 version I am using there. Java C space test.java. Compile this one. Now Java space test. Observe carefully. One more point. I previously given, but again I am telling to you now. Compiler doesn't care about the main method available or not. Compiler will not think about the main method. Compiler will not give respect to the main method. In the point of compiler, main method is there or not at all an issue. If you provide main method, compiler will check that main method as a normal Java method. If you are not providing main method, it's also be okay. Compiler will check, okay, normal method is not available in Java class. Methods are not mandatory in Java classes. That's my point. In the point of compiler, main method is not having any priority. But JVM must give priority for main method. JVM knows the importance of main method. It is an entry point for JVM to enter into our application. It's an entry point for JVM to enter into our application. So definitely JVM must give priority for what their main method. JVM must check main method. Because of that reason only in Java 6 version we got this message. In Java 7, what we are able to get there now object careful. Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Same message here we are getting it or not? Okay, fine. For example, this is okay, fine. That point here we understood. Alright. Next one is after this, after completion of this. If the required main method is available, if the required main method is available in the loaded main class, in the loaded main class, then what JVM will do now? Now observe carefully. When the required main method is available in the loaded class, now JVM will create a thread to execute this main method. Thread is nothing but flow of execution. Thread is what there? A flow of execution. So this thread is exclusively for executing main method. This thread is exclusively for what there? Main method, not for any other purpose now. So this thread is called as what there? Main thread. This thread is called as what their main thread. Main thread is created to execute what their main method. Now tell me, JVM starting point is what their main method. Compiler starting point is what their starting point of the file. Compiler will start its work at starting point of the file to ending point of the file, but JVM will start its work at starting point of the main method. Understand it clearly. Now, this flow of execution, this main thread will execute everything inside the main method. Will execute everything inside the main method. Okay, automatically some outputs are also be generated. What output here we are able to get? No, welcome is an output here we are getting. Understand it clearly. Welcome is an output here we are getting. Yes, this is an output here we are getting. Welcome. No problem. Up to now. Fine, sir. When this main thread reached to the ending point of the main method, when it comes to the end of the main method, automatically, that main thread will come to dead state. Main thread will come to dead state. It will be killed. Main thread is going to be destroyed. Main thread will come to what there? Dead state. Is that clear? All of you get my point now? Dead state. When it comes to the dead state, JVM will understand main thread is in dead state in the sense everything about the program is executed. Then immediately JVM will stop all of its internal processes which are being started for this program execution, like security service maybe, garbage collection service maybe, like internally so many services are started by JVM. Then it will stop all the services. After that, JVM will go for what their shutdown. JVM will be in what their shutdown mode. That's finished. Total execution part is going to be completed. Yes, sir. I forget my point or not? Now come again, no? 2 points here. When thread is created, main thread will execute main method. Inside the main method, what we have written, everything will be executed. Respective outputs are going to be generated on the command prompt. When main thread reaches to the ending point of the main method, then main thread will come to what state? No, dead state. Answer my point, dead state. When the main thread is in dead state, no, JVM understood that program execution is completed. Immediately it will stop all of its internal process, what it has been started. Then immediately JVM will go toward their shutdown. When JVM is in shutdown, no, nothing is going to be happen next moment. That's it. Now this is the remaining part here. Observe carefully. If the required main method is available in the loaded main class, then JVM JVM will create a thread to execute main method called main thread. Called what thread? You know, called main thread. Right, sir. If the required main method is available in the loaded main class, then JVM will create a thread to execute the main method called main thread. Right, sir. Next one is main thread will execute all the instructions which are available in the main method. Right, sir? Now, main thread will execute all the instructions which are available in the main method. Alright, sir? After that, when main thread reached to the ending point of the main method, ending point of the main method, JVM, or else maybe any part of the main method, main thread will come to the dead state. With this, JVM will stop all of its internal processes and JVM will go to shutdown mode. That's it. That's the steps here we are able to see. Now, totally, program execution is completed. Is that all of you get my point or not? Right, sir. It's like a movie. At the end of the story, hero died. Then with crying mode, all audience are coming outside. Same situation. Our hero is dead now. Why our hero is dead now? Already he saved heroine, right? Who is that heroine? Main method. Right, sir. Good. Huh. Another class? Hmm. Hmm. First of all, tell me, do you think about it in all classes main method is required? Yeah, in all, see for example, 100 classes I have written Java file. Do you think about it in every class main method is required? That's it. That's finished. Answer is clear. Not understanding. See, in other class main method is not available. When JVM will go to that class? At what time JVM will enter into that class? That concept you are going to understand in the future. So the point, simple point I'm telling to you. See, in Java program, so many classes we are going to write. Out of all the classes, one class is a main class. Remaining classes are business classes. There we are going to write business logics in the form of some methods. Okay. JVM will come to main method. Inside the main method, what we have to do, part of our application logic, if you want to execute some other class logic there, create object for that class inside the main method, access the methods of that class inside the main method. When JVM come to this method call, JVM will go to that respective class method, execute it, again coming back toward their main method. Any number of classes you can write. Create objects for all the class inside the main class and main method, access the methods. When JVM encounter this method calls now, go there and execute it and coming back toward their main method. At any cost, at the end of the story, JVM must be available in what method? Main method. When it comes to the ending point of the main method, JVM will go forward their data state. That's it. This is actual process. What is the flow of execution is going to be happen? Not mandatory to maintain main method at each and every class. Even if we provide 10 classes, 10 main methods at each and every class, or maybe one main method for each and every class, 10 classes with main methods. If right now, what class name we provided along with Java command, no, that class main method is executed by JVM. JVM will not come to all other 10 classes now. Understand it now? If you are not providing it, JVM will not go there. Understand my point? If you are available, then I can call you. If you are at your home, how I can call you? Same thing. If I'm the JVM, if we are visible for me, then I can access you. If you're not available to me, how I can access you? Same point. JVM entry point and exit point is what? Main method. In between that, what we have written, that will be executed. Other class methods or maybe other class information, whatever it may be, whatever the code we provided in between, starting point of the main method to ending point of the main method, that will be executed by JVM. Object creation, definitely. So everything is going on through object. Once if you write a separate class, if you want to access that class members from some other, the simple process what, not simple, only one process what there, create object for that class, access the members of that class in the present class. Then automatically that class members are going to be executed as per these method calls or as per the variables accessibility. Then the coding part is going to be available. Yeah, it's okay. Then it will come in object orientation. Then the entire process is going in an object orientation. Why? Because everything is related with what their objects. That's the reason why here we are going to understand it now. Okay. All right, sir. Now, finally, this is a content here I'm giving there. So this diagram also I'm going to include in our document. So try to practice one time this diagram here. And this is like what I'm telling there, seminar kind of content, the topic. Right. If you're in academics, no, I'll suggest one thing. Whenever we are having an opportunity to take a seminar for our people there, then this is the best topic. This is the best topic. Then if you want to engage 2 hours of time as a seminar there, as a person you want to give seminar, of course, 2 hours of seminar in colleges may not work out. But if it is a case, if it is a requirement, no, try to explain that first application development, keep the Java application development, keep the side heading, no, step by step, step by step, step by step, can prepare all. Understand it, kid? Then at my level, I give an explanation almost all 5 days. But in our level, we can start the same thing within maybe 3 to 4 hours of time or 2 to 3 hours of time. We can finish it. But if we give this entire topic, definitely opposite persons will satisfy. Definitely they will satisfy. Understand my point, Kirno? Then if it is a similar kind of topic, a very good analysis I given there. The total everything I analyzed. After that, all I given this content. You may not find this kind of information even in internet also. Why? Because this is my own analysis totally. I have done some R&D work over this process. Then I've given that information. Not only this, on every topic I used to go for analysis too. Total analysis what I'm going to give. That analysis, if we catch, no, definitely we are able to get clarity. Subject level clarity here we are able to get. Now see this one. After completion of this, you can play with the path and class path now. If you're understanding clearly what is path and what is class path, no, then easily we can identify this clearly. Anyway, last question here. I forgot this question actually. Now here, I'm going to give that question here, interview question. So what is the difference between path and class path environment variables? Both we can provide temporarily and as well as permanently, but for class path permanent setup is not required. Still it is possible but not required. It is a time waste process. Why? Because at our application where our dot class files are available, at what location they are available, there is no permanent location for them. Maybe time to time they are going to be changed. Because of that reason we should not set class path permanently, set always class path as what they are temporarily. Understand my point here? Okay, but how to manage uh, third party libraries? Again, few more approaches are available. I'll talk with you in the future. But as of now, we can understand in the locations provided by class path environment variable, third party libraries are going to be available. That we are going to think max. Okay, now let's move on to the answer here clearly. What is the answer here? Path is an environment variable, is an environment variable. It will provide location. It will provide a location to the operating system where all Java commands are available. Where all Java commands are available. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity on it now? In the case of Java, I am talking there. But path will be used by operating system even for other softwares also. For example, database, Oracle database we provided. Oracle setups are also required. Oracle commands are also available. SQL plus is one of the command from Oracle that we have to use on command prompt. Understand my point, you know. So there again path is required to set what the Oracle pin. MySQL is available. MySQL to start up the MySQL, to stop the MySQL through command prompt we can operate now. So there also some commands are required. The commands are provided in a location inside the MySQL database which are come from what their path environment variable. Yeah, starting is problem. जब I pause. Okay, right, sir. Now this is actual point here. I'm telling you, the path is required by operating system to find the locations where all Java commands are available. Right, sir. Then in general, what we are going to provide now, set path is equal to C colon slash Java slash JDK 1.8.0 slash bin locations here we are going to provide. But what about this one class path? Class path is an environment variable. It will provide the locations. It will provide a location or maybe the locations, one or two locations to the compiler JVM. Maybe at present we have seen only JVM case. In the future we are going to see compiler case also. Okay, JVM, compiler and JVM, right? It will provide the locations to the compiler JVM where all the required dot class files are available. All the dot class files are available. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. Say for example, set class path is equal to, there we can provide e colon slash abc. If you fix that, e colon slash abc contains some libraries, some third party libraries, some dot class files are available. Is that correct or not? So this is what exactly the difference between path and class path. Now tell me final conclusion. Path is required by operating system to find what? All Java commands. Class path is required by compile and JVM to find what? Dot class files. Require dot class files. They are the two things we have to understand clearly. That's clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? Right, sir. That's all. Now this is about the total content here. Tomorrow at morning 7 o'clock, you are going to have an exam. You have to come here. You have to appear for that exam there. Got it? What I'm telling to you? No response. Okay, then complete it. We are able to get it. No, next day is an emerging day, not possible to conduct the classes now. Got it? What I'm telling to you? Right. I'm telling to you, I want to go to my hometown, but maybe as per the schedule, they fixed already some schedule there. At my home, at my village, 18th is an emergency day. That entire occasion is going on from my house, so my presence is mandatory. Otherwise, I may skip that if it is a normal, no, right? But we have to sit in front of the god. There's a problem. Not a problem, of course. It is a good thing, right, actually. But I'm thinking the point of class is a problem. Okay, then excuse for this time. Next, until the Dasra vacations, no holidays. Even on Sundays also we are going to have sessions. I'm planning already, clear cut plan. Maybe after this vacation, within 1 or 2 days of time, after this 20th, within 1 or 2 days of time, I'll start OOPS concepts at 8:30 time. At 8:30, I'm going to start object orientation. Every day we are going to have 2 sessions until the completion of this next topic, language fundamentals. Okay, so this is exactly the schedule what I'm giving. But excuse this time. Up to 19th, I will not take class for you. On 20th again, I'm going to take classes for you. The next class will be on 20th. 20, not 25th, 20. Why? Because on 18th I have to be there. 19th I have to come back here. But morning 7 o'clock class, not possible to take it now. Okay, if it is at evening, I can manage it on 19th itself. For evening batches, I'm going to conduct the class at 19th. But at morning class, not possible, right? 20th is the right time. On 20th, I'm going to take the class. On 20th morning, 7 o'clock, I will start language fundamentals topic. Third unit in the fundamentals. So 2 units are complete, third unit. Okay, right, sir. That's the schedule. Correspondingly, we can plan for it. Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on 20th again, but tomorrow we have to come for exam. Right. Thank you. And today at 1 o'clock, 12:30 or 1 o'clock, everybody has to come for this lunch, right? Invitation. Thank you. Thanks a lot.